So today we're going to make a tie-dye sweatshirt. So all you need is obviously a sweatshirt or a top and some rubber bands and some bleach. I say tie-dye, but we're going to bleach dye it. You can add colours if you want. So grab the middle and start twisting. Probably do some cutouts on this one as well, but not quite decided if I'm going to do cutouts at the shoulder, both shoulders, or just one off the shoulder top. Obviously put your elastic bands around it to keep it in place, and the other one's going to go the other way. Then we're going to pour a load of bleach on it. Now I didn't wet this before because I find you get a better effect when it's dry, but it's entirely up to you, of course. Like that, that's nicely scrunched. Right, let's pour some bleach on. So I've brought it to the bathroom so I don't get bleach everywhere. We're going to use this thick bleach you can just get from any supermarket. I got mine from Wilko's, and we're just going to splodge it on. Splodge, splodge, splodge. Splodge, splodge, splodge. Splodge, 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 splodge. Splodge, 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 splodge. Splodge, 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 splodge. You can be quite generous. I think that's alright. And it's soaking a little bit. And at the same time you're cleaning the bath. Fantastic. Well, I hope that works. It comes out in a pretty pan. You can always add more when you take the bands off. And I'll see you when that's dry. So my tie-dye went a little bit wrong on this one. Make sure you use 100% cotton top. This one was polyester and cotton, 65% polyester, so that's why the bleach hasn't really taken to it. I've used the same bleach as I used on the jeans, so it's not the bleach's fault, but it's just come out quite brown and stiff. So what I'm going to do is make it into an off the shoulder top, and I just measured it on myself, so I've marked it there. So that's going to just cut the neck off, because I don't really like this neck anyway. And then I might add some lettering on the front, whatever you want, YOLO or something less boomerish. Some marks there. There we go. Could just cut the shoulders out and leave the neckline, but I've got some hoodies coming, so I think I'll do that on the hoodie. This is just going to be a one shoulder, just a slouchy style.